Many of us are so bothered about what other people think. Oftentimes, we feel so caught up with all the prejudices they have of us. It totally affects us, our mindset, our thoughts, our beliefs, and even our actions. It affects us to the point that we become tired of ourselves and of our lives in general. It makes us think that life is such a total mess and people are just so toxic. But think of this. What if I tell you that you have the inner power to control your life? That you have the inner strength to combat the judgments thrown at you? And that you have the inner mission to live a life of purpose with no regrets? Yes, that is so true, and I can guarantee that to you. Now you ask me, how then is that possible? My answer is so simple, and you have probably heard about this one before. You need to improve focusing on yourself. If you always hear, see, and feel what others are saying about you, you might be focusing so hard on them rather than yourself. In this case, do you think you are winning over? Believe me, people will always have something to say about you. So why would you dwell on the fear of losing them in expense of your own happiness and success? Would you rather lose yourself just so people will like you? Just focus on yourself and what you can do to improve your life and your experiences. Nothing will happen if you submerge yourself always to the fear of what people think and say of you. If you focus more on yourself, it will increase your awareness of things that needs to be done. It will make you focus on identifying actions that will help you achieve the goals you set for yourself, and eventually it will make you achieve more and more. The journey of life is focused on what you can do rather than what you cannot because of the restrictions you put on yourself due to the fears, doubts, and insecurities built by others on you. You can always make your life meaningful and purposeful. It is your choice, and nobody can dictate that on you. Know your mission. Be aware of your purpose. Study your goals and achieve these goals. Follow the path you created for you. Embrace it. Be good at it and make it your life. Learn to refuse to mind what others think and say of you. What is important is you know yourself better, your flaws as well as your capacities, and how you use this to better yourself and your circle. Do not mind if people talk badly about you because they themselves forgot that they have their own lives to settle and to improve. Believe that because they are busy on you, they may fall short in making their lives better while you are now reaping the fruits of your labor. Now think about this. Which is better, being loved for who you really are or being liked for who you are not? Many of us nowadays actually prefer to please others at the expense of our genuine selves, just for the purpose of being likable and lovable. Is it difficult to live a life of lies? Yes. Will it give you peace of mind? No. Will you be able to sleep soundly at night? I bet not, because lies will magnify your fears. It will double up on your insecurities, and it will damage your relationships. If you continue living a life of lie, people will notice that. You will lose your integrity, and you will fall prey of your own doings. You end up confused and disturbed. Do you want that? And so I tell you once again, stay true and genuine, and you will never go wrong. Be your own hero. Fight the negative thoughts that are inflicted on you by others, and focus on growing yourself well. Now we often say that it is difficult to trust anybody nowadays. I agree on this, because many people are also masked in the ways they interact with their fellows. At one point, they seem to be an ally or a friend, but on another point, they are the ones who destroy you. But whatever that may be, you have the choice as to whom to listen to. Would you care about something damaging more than something constructive? Just believe in yourself and do what is right all the time, and nobody can harm you. You have the power to control your mindset. your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. You have the power to decide on things that are relevant for growth and progress, and you just need to focus on these. Run your life as a true shepherd of God. Embrace your flaws, work on improving them, and shine as bright as you can in your own magnificent ways. Every day, think about how you're living your life. Are you genuinely happy? Are you contented? Is there something good that you can do with it? Can you contribute something that can make the lives of other people better? There are so many questions that are still left unanswered, and we ought to find the answers as we journey with our lives. Do a lot of reflections. Mirror yourself through others. Do what is morally and ethically right while giving yourself the opportunity to follow your passion and to do whatever you love doing. I must say, this is always easier said than done. But when would you start moving? When do you intend to stand up? Remove your excess loads, lighten yourself up, and begin with small steps towards your ultimate happiness. It would be difficult, it would be challenging, but I'm telling you, it will all be worth it. Just focus on the journey because your time will soon come if you start now. And so you ask me again, what if I fail? And people will start mocking me again. Then I tell you, that is very possible. And so if that happens, take responsibility over your actions. Take accountability over the consequences of these actions. Gather all lessons you can learn and apply these new lessons to the next chapters of your life. Soon, you will gain mastery on how to make better judgments and good decisions. Soon, you will achieve the right pattern and the helpful rhythm that can propel you towards your peak. And then when you have this, sustain it so you will forever live a meaningful, happy, and engaged life that you always deserve. So I am telling you once again, refuse to mind what others think of you. Do not be controlled by others and do not succumb to their false judgments. Believe that when you do, you will increase your ability to focus more on yourself, your choices, your lessons, and your life. Also, you will protect yourself from negativities and toxicities imposed by others, and therefore, you will bring more positivity, calmness, and peace in your life.